Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to easily block random events in Google Calendar. If your calendar is cluttered with unwanted or unknown events, we will guide you through simple steps to clean it up and prevent them from appearing. Now, on your Google Calendar, all we need to do is click on Settings. You can find Settings in the upper right part of your screen. Once we are here, we just need to click this drop-down and select Settings. Under Settings, we will click on Event Settings. You can find this option on the left side of your screen. Here, we just need to click on Invitations. Now, we need to turn this on so that only events we respond to in email will be added to our Google Calendar. And that is how we can easily block random events in Google Calendar. With these simple steps, we can keep our calendar organized and free from unwanted events.